loves, welcome back. Today I'm here trying Shein makeup, yes, from Sheglam. Very affordable, long wear makeup. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Tell me if you like this look or not. So if you like this look, keep watching. So I'm excited to try these products. I did not prime, all I did was moisturize my face. I did not get a primer. So what I'm gonna use is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I really love this primer because it really fills in my pores. So I'm just gonna go on with that and then we're gonna start complexion. But hold on, let me just clip my hair back real quick. Alright, now let's go. Okay, now that I'm primed, I got the Sheglam Complexion Pro Long Lasting Breathable Matte. I bought 2 shades because I didn't know what would be the right shade. So I got shade Hazelnut and Nutmeg. The packaging is really cute. Look at this. Comes in a really nice packaging. Ooh, I don't know. This looks a little light. Let's see. They looking a little light. Let me test. So this is Nutmeg. And then this is Hazelnut. Okay, so Hazelnut is definitely too light. So I'm just gonna go in with Nutmeg. I guess it looks light in the bottle because it's frosted, but the color is right. So let's see what this is looking like, because okay, coverage. The color is actually perfect. Look at that. But this is like a full coverage matte foundation, liquid foundation. Normally I'm like a high-end foundation girl. I never really use a lot of drugstore makeup in years, like when I first started wearing makeup, but this looks good. Okay, so Nutmeg is definitely my shade in the Complexion Pro Long Lasting Breathable Matte Foundation from Sheglam. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the 12-hour full coverage concealer from Sheglam. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. And the shade is Honeycomb, Chocolate. This is Chocolate. And then this is Honeycomb. So as you can see, Chocolate's more close to my skin tone. So let's just see with Honeycomb. I'm just gonna focus it right here in the inner corner. So I'm just gonna put it in the inner corner. Actually feels nice. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of the chocolate because it's closer to my skin tone. A little bit right here because I have a little darkness. And I'm gonna put a little bit more of the Honeycomb right there. So I'm just gonna blend that out. It really blends out nicely and it gives a good coverage. I got the Bake Glow setting powder in shades Translucent and Chocolate. So I'm gonna put Translucent under my eyes and then set my face with Chocolate. Ooh, it comes with a little cute puff too. This is cute. Okay, so my face is set. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Sheglam Brows on Demand 2-in-1 brow pencil in chocolate. So this is cute. It has like a little felt tip pen on one side, and then it has a pencil on the other side. I also got the liquid eyebrow pencil. It's like a little felt tip. Let's see which, I don't know which one to use. I'm gonna outline first with the pencil. So now I'm gonna use the Sheglam, the Afterglow palette. I'm thinking about doing like a neutral kind of color, but we'll see. I don't know what I'm in the mood for. Spritzer, Sunset, Truffle, and Bronze Babe. Those are the shades that I used, which is not bad, in the Afterglow palette. Now I'm going to use the dual eyeliner in black to line my eyes. One side is a pencil and then the other side is a liquid liner, which is perfect. 2-in-1. So now I'm applying bronzer. I did not purchase bronzer from them, so I'm using my Morphe bronzer in Leader and applying it all over my face. Now, I didn't really go for my typical super highlighted, super contoured look. This is more on the natural side. Now I'm about to apply some lashes on. They really had some nice cute lashes. This set came with a cute little tweezer and cute little funky styles. Right before I was about to put my lashes on, I realized, girl, I need to put my mascara on first. Now I'm putting on blush. I've been using this Sweet Cheeks blush. I've been pulling for this daily, okay? And I really love this blush set. I feel like that was my favorite thing. And then also the highlighter. This is very pigmented. All you need is a little drop. I had to blend it out. It gave a nice glow though. This palette was everything. Lip liner and lipstick duo. It was pretty nice. It's very neutral. A soft nude. But I wanted some gloss, so I ended up putting my Fenty gloss on top to give a sheen. And there we go. A natural glowy look. So this is one of my makeup looks. If you want to look at my other makeup tutorials, all you gotta do is hit that button right there and keep watching.